It's Ari J. I'm back with another video. Let's go. Today I should have recorded earlier this morning, but I didn't because it was so dark outside, and the way our yard is set up, you don't really have too many lights. So yeah. But today I'm kind of doing something somewhat local, kind of. I am in Milwaukee getting loaded. Yeah, as we speak. They should actually almost be done. Open my doors back into the dock. As I said, they should almost be done. Milwaukee is like give or take like 2 hours away from the yard. So yeah, and then I'm gonna check out, get my bills, make sure everything's right, and then I'm gonna take this and deliver it to the rail yard, and then after that I have something else that I gotta pick up from the rail yard to deliver. So I'm hoping everything is gonna go well with that. I think it is though. Let's see, I'm not too far away. I didn't have to go too far today, which is fine. I need like a little breaky break. I do. But yeah, y'all. But anyways, how's you all's day today? What's going on? I hope all is well. I'll come back to y'all when I get to the rail yard, or I might be fueling up. I might have to fuel up, but I probably won't. I don't know. I guess it just depends, because my fuel is like at half a tank right now, and yeah, is that like half a tank? Yeah, but yeah, I'll come back to y'all with either or. I'm either gonna be fueling up, or like I said, I'll probably be going to the rail yard. So we're gonna see y'all. Done for the day. They do not have any empties here, so I guess that's it. So I went from Milwaukee to the rail yard to pick up from the rail yard to drop off here, and I had an easy little day. It still kind of was a little long, but an easy day. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go to a truck stop and get me some pizza, and yeah, I think that's it for my video today. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like my video. Bye y'all.